Hey guys, Chris from Provo Beast Audio Installation, and today we're doing a quick unboxing of this 4-gauge amplifier wiring kit by KnuKonceptz. Now what's special about this kit, it is a full oxygen-free copper kit, true 4-gauge, and can support up to 150 amps of current to an amplifier. Let's get started. Okay, so as we get this pulled on apart, it comes with obviously a ton of wiring. Nice thing about KnuKonceptz, generally speaking, compared to other wiring, it's oversized, I guess you could say, where they try to cram as much into their wire as possible. So let's go ahead and jump right to our power and ground here in this kit itself. Pull this off to the side. Now our power wire here, with the box itself, it does include 18 feet. A 4-gauge OFC power cable. You can get this in blue or red. We chose blue for application here today. And as for the ground wire, same gauge, same everything, just the shielding is black. Now looking here specifically, let's look at the wire itself. Now looking in nice and close, it is 100% copper. Now just as some wire comparison here, this is listed on the KnuKonceptz website, and they compare their wire against other larger brands that you see listed on Amazon, where we purchased our kit. And simply looking at the size comparison, the shielding is just about the same amongst all different brands, but you can see the wire strand count is a heck of a lot higher within the KnuKonceptz brand, which kind of separates them from other brands. Not only are you getting oversized wire in terms of actual copper there, but you're going to have better continuity and essentially running a ton more power through the same size cable. Now next, let's look at our speaker wire here. Now they supply 20 feet of 12-gauge OFC speaker wire as well. Really nice wire, nice and heavy. Same quality as our power and ground wire. Now with our RCAs, they supply a 5-meter cable or 16.5 feet. With this cable, it's a 2-channel cable itself, so if you do need a 4-channel, you'll have to actually purchase separate RCAs. This only comes with 2 channels. Now the caper is a copper branded shield coaxial RCA. Now according to KnuKonceptz here, they use a hybrid metal molded RCA termination with strain relief for durable low loss connection for your head unit to the amplifier itself. So our remote turn on wire here, they do provide 16 feet or of 18 gauge, also OFC wire, true 18 gauge, which is super nice. And they also include some split looming, which is kind of nice in case for the portion that's up underneath the hood, you can loom it to match kind of the factory look, protect the wire a little bit. Now for some of the smaller accessories here in the box, we have the fuse holder itself, which holds a Mini-ANL fuse, comes with some zip ties, and your terminals here. Now it comes with some nice copper terminals as well as some boots there, a firewall grommet, and the ANL fuse that's supplied with the kit is 120 amp, but you can upgrade it if needed to 150 amp fuse. Now if you want to see this kit in action and us using it on a truck, we're going to be actually installing this on a 2016 Ford F-150. We're going to be running a Pioneer 5-channel amplifier using this kit. If you want to see that video and this kit in action, we'll have a link down in the description as well as a card up above. Again, if you want to purchase one of these kits, we'll have that linked in the description. And finally, all the actual specs of this wiring itself will also put down in the description, so check that on out. Again, we appreciate you watching. Be sure to hit that like button if you like what you saw, and don't forget to subscribe. We post great content on the channel all the time. That's all the time we have, and we will see you in the next video.